Hi, I'm Ellie Skipper. I've been with Quality Craftsmen for a little over a year. Love to help make a positive impact on people's lives. Just recently, I met with wonderful customers who unfortunately were no longer able to utilize their current bathroom space for showering because it could no longer accommodate a wheelchair. Took the time to lay out lots of different product offerings and look at some accessibility options for their shower. Designed a custom shower space featuring very nice light onyx walls and an onyx ramped pan. Demoed out a pony wall, added some safety grab bars, and now they have a wonderful home and shower space that they're able to utilize.